Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Owen Hill has resigned from his post as the Chief Executive Officer of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited (PFJL) following 3 years at the helm. Hill's resignation will take effect on September 26. In his resignation letter to the chairman and the board of the PFJL, Hill noted that his decision to resign came after months of professional reflection. He further noted he was confident that the league was well positioned to build on the successes he would have accomplished as CEO of the PFJL. Hill further indicated a willingness to serve the organization in a consultancy role going forward. Hill was appointed CEO of the PFJL in September 2022 and handled the day-to-day operations of the JPL and its commercial viability. Racing United put on a clinic against the former champions Arnett Gardens, hammering them 5-1 in the feature game of a doubleheader in the Jamaica Premier League, this at the Stadium East Field on Monday night. Giovanni Cunningham led the assault with a double, scoring in the 4th and 34th minutes, while Nikhil Ellis in minute 5 and Tajay Grant in the 11th, as well as Tyrone Mullings in time added, were the other scorers for Racing, who led 4-0 at half-time. Rashiki Kelson pulled one back for the Junglists in the 68th minute. In the earlier game, Portmore United blanked Dunbeholden FC 2-0. Marquis Reed scored the opener in the 70th, while Ronaldo Robinson completed the win in the 79th for the 7-time champions. 12 Jamaicans are set to compete at the Diamond League Meet Finals in Zurich, Switzerland, scheduled for Wednesday and Thursday. 2024 Diamond League winner Akeem Blake is set to defend his title in the men's 100 meters. Olympic finalist Tia Clayton is down for the women's equivalent. World champion Daniel Williams and Akira Nugent will contest the women's 100-meter hurdles, while national champion Orlando Bennett is set to line up in the men's 110-meter hurdles. Antoinette Knight is down to contest the women's 400-meter hurdles. In the field, Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts is listed for the women's triple jump, while national champion Jordan Scott is slated for the men's equivalent. World and Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock, along with world indoor bronze medalist Kerry McLeod, are in the men's long jump. National champion Romaine Beckford is down for the men's high jump, while Olympic bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell will compete in the men's shot put. Surrey Under-15s defeated the National Under-13 development team by 124 runs in their game in the Kingston Wharves Youth Tournament at the Melbourne Cricket Club. Batting first, Surrey Under-15s piled up 186 for 9. Marvin Johnson top scored with 42, while Zachary Buchanan made 40. Demaria Lee also chipped in with 30, as Navian Malcolm, Nicholas Green and Lennox Chance all had 2 wickets. In their run chase, the National Under-13 team were bowled out for 62. Jalen Thomas made 20 and Orlando Williams 10. Buchanan returned to take 3 for 18 and Jaquan Fiddler 2 for 1. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.